Hello, welcome to FGSO Woodworks. Today we're working on the Czechoslovakian table again, and as you can see I'm using a green scratch pad on my drill to prepare it to apply new epoxy. The client really wanted them to shine, so I'm making sure that they're all prepped and ready so that I can actually apply the epoxy. So I've taken the time and I've applied the legs. I've actually stuck them onto a board to make it easier to both go over it with the stain that I have, making sure that I get all the little details, and also to be able to apply the epoxy. At first I was just going to kind of touch up on certain areas, but then I saw that the legs would look a whole lot better if I just went over the whole leg. Um, Sometimes when you're doing restorations and everything, it doesn't look as good to just do little tiny touch-ups. So, as I said, I'm applying stain to the whole, to all the legs. Once I've let them sit for a while, I came back about 5-10 minutes later and I took off all the residue left, and so what I'm doing at this point is I'm starting to apply the epoxy. What you may not know is that epoxy doesn't necessarily have to be poured onto a piece. In fact, if you thin it or heat it up so that it's thin, you can actually apply it with a brush, as I'm doing here. At this point, what I'm doing is using a heat gun to get rid of all the bubbles that showed up due to applying the epoxy. You really can't get away from that. Um, anyway, thank you for enjoying the video. If you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.